Sorry, honey, I didn't mean to wake you. I have to finish getting dressed for work. Who were you talking to just now?
No one.
Well, I heard you call out to someone.
Oh, I had a dream. It seems so real.
About what?
Nothing, it's silly.
Honey, if it upsets you...
I'm fine. Really. I'm gonna go make breakfast. What is happening to me? Am I going mad?
Oh, Diana. Oh, Diana, you sound so happy. Yes, love will do that. Well, you deserve it. You've waited long enough. Yes, I have too. Oh, sometimes I think it will never happen. But then I think of you and how similar our lives have been. And I just take hope that someday I'll find love and happiness too. Oh, you are so sweet to say that. Promise me that we'll always be friends. So how long before you and Dodi get here? Oh, you're leaving now? Great, I can't wait. Diana? Be careful.